All right, so what is this secret 7 about? Just remember, secret 7, there are 2 types of secret 7, okay? So the secret 7 is it either go this way. It goes this way if the answer that you want to find is on the bottom left. This is your answer that you want to find. Okay, this part here, the one in the circle is your answer that you want to find. Then the other secret 7 is this way. It means that it's the inverse of a 7, an inverted 7, whereby your answer right now is on the right-hand side. So how do we apply this secret 7? So always remember, for secret 7, right? Can you see this line here? Last time I used to have an inside joke, but now I think cannot already. So we'll just learn the normal way. Okay, so just remember, can you see this line here? This line looks like which sign? Plus, minus, times, or divide? Can you see this line? Only plus have that line and divide has that line, right? So just remember, whenever we do secret 7, we don't involve plus and minus. We involve more on times and divide. Okay, so you can see this line is actually referring to divide. So this line here is also referring to divide. So don't forget to color code it. And next, this line here and this line here refers to multiply. Multiply. Okay, so you can make your notes first before I teach you the 2 different types of secret 7. Okay, so right now I'm going to start going through what is type 1 and type 2. This right here is type 1 that I'm going to do right now. So what is type 1? Can you see the answer is on the bottom left or bottom right? Is the answer on the bottom left or bottom right that you want to find? Bottom left or bottom right? The answer that you want to find?
Yeah.
Bottom left, very good. So because this is the answer that you want to find, so where is your secret 7? Your secret 7 will be this way. So what is on top? The line on top is represented by what symbol? What sign? What sign is it for the line on top that we just learned?
Divide.
Divide, very good. And the other one?
Times.
Yes, times. So how do we find this answer right here? What shall we say to find this answer right here? What shall we say to find this answer right here? How can we find this answer right here?
Divided by 10.
So we say
Then the
3,
answer by 7
again, 3,
times divided by 10.
yeah, 3 divided by 10
Then the answer times 7.
times 7. So what is another way to write 3 divided by 10?
3 over 10.
Yes, very good. 3 over 10 times 7. And then the answer will be your answer in the orange bubble. So next up, we will do the one in green. So the one in green is type 2. So type 2 means right now the answer is on the bottom left or bottom right. Is it on the bottom left or bottom right?
Bottom right.
Bottom right. So this is where your arrow is, and this is the answer that you want to find. So what sign shall we put at this line here? Divided. And what sign shall we put here?
Times.
Times. Very good. So how do we find this answer here in this green bubble? How do we find this answer here in this green bubble?
3 divided by 10.
Nope, it's not 3 divided by 10.
10 divided by 3
Yes, 10 divided by 3
times
times 8. Very good. And what's another way to write 10 divided by 3?
10 over 10.
Yes, 10 over 3 followed by times 8, and that will be your answer. So in Sec 2, we'll use secret 7 a lot in most of the chapters. So you really have to master the secret 7. There's only 2 types of secret 7. That's all.